Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on and off notifications on the Qjob application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then tap on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Scroll down to the notifications section. And here at the top you can see that you have two options that you can choose from. You can turn on push notifications if you tap on this button in the left side, but in order to enable this option, you should allow the application to have access to your notifications, so tap on allow. Then you will be directed to your phone settings, where you need to click on notifications and turn on this button allowing notifications. Then go back to the app and you will be able to turn it on. And you can also turn on email notifications, and here you can set the distance on this range, so the location of your services can be selected. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.